Hello guys, welcome back to Byte Geek. In today's video, I'm going to help you fix a common issue. The application was unable to start correctly with the error code you can see on my screen. Sometimes you might see this error after installing a new application or game, and when you try to open it, it just refuses to start. This problem can happen with almost any app or game, and instead of getting stuck discussing all the possible causes, we're going to dive straight into the solutions and get your programs running smoothly again. First, you need to make sure that the .NET framework is installed on your PC. To do this, go Windows search bar, type Control Panel. From search result, open the Control Panel. In Control Panel, change the view to large icons, find Programs and Features, and click on it. Now, look carefully. You should find Microsoft.NET Framework listed here. If you don't find it listed, don't worry. On the left-hand side, click on Turn Windows Features on or off. A new window will open. Here, make sure that .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services are both checked. If they aren't, check them, then click OK. It will search the files on internet. Now select Let Windows Update download the files for you. It will download the required files for .NET Framework, so it will take some time. After done, you can close the windows. In most cases, this should solve the problem, but if it doesn't, don't worry. Follow the next step. We need to clean up all the temporary junk files on your PC. First, go to the Windows search bar and type Run. Open the Run dialog box, type temp and press enter. A folder full of temporary files will open. Press Ctrl+A to select everything and then hit delete. Don't worry if some files can't be deleted. They might be currently in use. Just skip those and move on. Again, go Windows search and open Run. And now type prefetch, then press enter. Delete all the files that appear here too. After cleaning up, right-click on Recycle Bin and select Empty Recycle Bin. It will permanently delete all the files from the recycle bin. After cleaning up all the unnecessary junk files, including the recycle bin, at this point, try opening the application again. If you're still getting the same "the application was unable to start correctly" error, don't worry, we've got more methods to fix it. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. When you see command prompt in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type the following command, sfc/scan now, then press enter. This command will scan your system for any corrupted files and automatically attempt to repair them. The process might take some time, so be patient and let it complete. Once the scan is finished and any corrupted files have been fixed, close the window and restart your computer. Let's move on to the next method, checking for bad RAM memory. If you recently installed new RAM, it could be faulty and causing the error. In that case, simply remove the newly installed RAM from your system, restart your computer, and try opening the application again. If the error still persists, no worries. Let's try the next method, disabling your antivirus. Go to Windows search bar and type Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Manage Setting and turn off Real-Time Protection. In many cases, third-party antivirus programs can mistakenly block applications from launching properly. Just temporarily disable your antivirus and see if the application starts without any issues. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods will work for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss out on future tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.